Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you guys are cool. Welcome back to my PHP tutorials series of tutorials. Today I'll be dealing on variables. What variables are. Now most of you that have had experience in programming with other languages, you should know what variable is all about. What variable is. Now variables are containers for storing information. They are containers that stores information where we'll use them later um, in the code. It's the main way to store information in the middle of a PHP program is by using variables. There are some things the rules you need to follow when naming variables. Now all variables in PHP are denoted with with the dollar sign. A dollar sign. Okay, let me create a new file. Okay, and I'm gonna save it as variable, sealed in the same folder. We have index.php. Okay, variable dot php. Okay, now our php tags. Okay, now we're gonna start writing a variable now. All variable must start with this dollar sign. Anything you write after the dollar sign is the variable name. Okay, now if for example we have x is equal to maybe 1. Okay, now let's try to say echo x. Sorry. Okay, let's try to view that in a browser. You see 1 has been excuse me. Sorry about that. 1 has been outputted as a result of the variable we try to echo. Okay, now if we have text, this is text. Sorry, let me bring this down a bit. Text is equal to hello world. Sorry. Okay, now let's echo text. Sorry, I forgot to echo text. This is crazy. txt. Okay. Okay, 1 hello world. Let's delete the first 1. Okay, let's delete this echo because we might use it again. Okay. Hello world. Now if I have x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. Now result is equal to x plus y variable echo result. Seven. Now it's gonna output 7 as a result. Why? Because x ha has the value of 2 and y has a value of 5. That means x 2 has been stored in x, and 5 has been stored in y. So if you now add the two of them, 2 plus 5, now the result will be you can see the function of variables, the functions of variable. Now this result is just echo result. Okay, if we now echo this, it's still going to give us the same answer. Echo see, the answer is still going to be the same, still the same. So I was just trying to show you guys what variable is and how it is used. Okay, variable, as you can see, like what I've shown you now, variable is a container that stores data. It stores data. A variable can have a short name like x or y, as you've seen, or a more descriptive name like text, or probably age, date of birth, numbers of cars. You understand? Okay. Now you should know about the rules of. I'm going to tell you the rules of naming a variable. Rules in naming variables. Now a variable starts with a dollar sign followed by the name of the variable. Yeah, the variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. A variable name cannot start with numbers. Yeah, it cannot start with 0. A variable name cannot start with 0, and a variable name can only contain alphanumerical characters and underscore. Yeah, a variable name are case sensitive. Now if for example, what I mean variable name is case sensitive is, now if for example we have um, let's use result here. Results is equal to, and let's echo is case sensitive. Okay, let's use the first R as capital letter. Result. Now you see it's not gonna output. Now you see undefined variable result in C blah 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 on line 12. Now the line 12 is where, yeah. Now if we now change this to a small letters and try to refresh this, the error will be gone. Okay, now and a variable is case sensitive, and that means a cap lock of result is gonna result in an error. Like I already told you, variable name must start with the letter or an underscore character. You know what underscore is? Now you can use this result. It's still gonna work. Yeah. And what again? A variable name cannot start with numbers. Now if you use numbers here, add number here and add a number here. Let's try to see what's gonna happen. Oh, pass error. Syntax error, unexpected 0, blah 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 in line 10. You see? So all variables must not start with numbers. All variables must not start with numbers. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscore. Okay. Variable names are case sensitive. Variable name are case sensitive. Okay, now let's try to something. Okay, now this is a string. Now I'm gonna I'll create there's a special tutorial where I will really explain what a string is. Now for now, let's do this. We are still on variable. Now text. Now I love PHP. I love, sorry, I love, sorry, oh, okay, let's echo text, echo txt. Okay, won't be needing this, so it's gonna go, it has to go, echo text, I love PHP. Now let's remove this and write I love oh, my battery's down. Okay, let me be fast about that. I'm gonna put this inside, sorry. It's still showing the same thing. So now let's change this. I love computer science. I see this. Wow, that's variable. That's variable. Okay, as you can see, PHP is a loosely typed language. This is not like most of other languages like Java, that you must declare a variable type before you use it. Before you use it. Now, in Java, if you're writing, if you're declaring a variable, now like this is a string. Computer science is a string. Now you must first of all declare it string. Do you understand that? So if, for example, you want to output, or maybe you want to declare a variable and it's a number or an integer, you must first of all declare int um, x. Do you understand? Now PHP doesn't work like that. It's loose, the loose type language, the loosely typed language. Now PHP variable scope, you should let me try to explain how PHP variable works, and I should understand it. Sorry, I don't know, maybe I have to break down this video into two videos. Now let's see if I'm fast about this. I'm gonna cover this up. If I'm not fast, then I'm gonna break it down into. Now you know PHP, like you've seen, the PHP variables can be declared anywhere in the script. The scope of the variable is a part of a script where the variable can be referenced. PHP has three different variable scope: the local, the global, and static. A variable declared outside a function has a global scope and can be accessed outside a function. Maybe when we're dealing with functions, I would take time to really explain that to you. And the variable declared within the function has a local scope and can only be accessed within that function. Okay, when we're dealing with functions, I will take time to explain that to you, because right now we don't have time. We need to end this. Yeah, now you've understood what variable is, and please, if you like my video, subscribe. If you love my video, subscribe and like it, and it will encourage me to record more videos. Alright,